Poor man's Excalibur tube mortar rack part 3. About halfway finished. Of course, like how it usually happens, partway through I totally changed the design. If you remember, I was going to use the 1x3 there, which, looking at it, still doesn't really look like it would have been that bad of an idea. But I changed my mind and I went with the 1x4 and then the little 1/2 by 1 inch trim board going down the side. And then the 1/2 inch by 2 inch board along the top, a little bit above the tubes, so I can run another board across the top when I get the other side on, so I can fuse these and stack them to store them until it's time for the show without having to worry about the fuse getting damaged. So here, for each side, we've got the 1/2 by 1, the 1/2 by 3, which is really 2.5 inches wide, and the 1x4. Now I'm going to cut a couple boards, put on the end, and a couple boards across the top. This is the way I decided to do it. I'm not suggesting anyone else do so, but thought I'd share the way I finally decided to do this rack, and we'll be back when it's finished. Say we'll be back, Assistant Allen.
We'll be back.
Say we'll be back, Assistant Christian.
We'll be back, Assistant Christian.
We'll be back.